My video guide today will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Ltnuhr. In this video, you'll find instructions on how to effectively get rid of this ransomware and how to protect your system from being infected by this ransomware in the future. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any problems. You can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other data. But the ransomware is trying to infect as many computers as possible and to encrypt as many files as possible. And this is exactly what Ltnuhr ransomware does. It encrypts your data. So after it's launched, it starts immediately encrypting the data that you store on the hard drive. And sooner or later you will discover that some of the files on your system have been infected by this particular ransomware, and the special Ltnuhr extension has been added to your files. Then the ransomware tells that you need to pay the tremendous amount of ransom in order to get your files restored, but there is no guarantee that you would get your files back even if you pay that ransom. So you can now clearly see that this extension has been added to some of the files and you cannot open your files anymore. We recommend you not to loiter, but rather immediately seek for the solution to remove this ransomware. We suggest that you remove it with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, and after it is downloaded and installed, start checking your computer with its help to make sure that the device is free of this ransomware and that all your data is protected in the future. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you will be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.